How to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy BNB on your Trust Wallet. So first thing you do is we go to Trust Wallet. As you can see, this is the home page. Now click on buy here and then choose BNB, and after that you need to choose the amount of money that you want to spend on this coin. Okay, and after you choose the amount of money, just click next. Recently it's not available, but I'm sure that you are watching this video, it will be available on Trust Wallet. So that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.